Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get reward from Universal Rank Player Quest in eSport FC Mobile 24. And you can rank up your player by complete this quest. So before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can change the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. If you are in the main page, tap this quest buttons and scroll down this one, universal rank player quest. So the first one, the first objective is match master. Complete 10 versus attack head to head or manager mode matches. If you're done this, you can get this Jersey DCK is a universal rank player which can only be used to rank up 80 until 89 UOV players. So you can use this Jersey deck as a training item. And also you can rank your player. And also the second one is the Striver. Complete complete 20 skill games or matches in the event, challenge mode, or tournament. You can also get this Jersey deck as a universal rank player. And the last one is training master. Perform training 10 times. You can get this Jersey deck. So basically, this Jersey deck is unplayable player or character, and can only be used to rank up your player. This is the best of the universal rank player type. So if you wanna rank up your player, you have to done this quest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.